We all know that pizza first originated in Italy, but have you ever wondered how come? Or what led to the invention of pizza? The story of the origination of pizza is one of hunger, innovation, and of course, deliciousness. I have loved pizza for as long as I can remember. Boyfriends and girlfriends come and go, but you always got pizza to comfort you, whether it is your birthday or at the time of a bad breakup. We are all self-proclaimed connoisseurs when it comes to pizza, but know little about its history. So let's begin this journey and see how one of the most favorite dishes cherished across the globe came to be. But before we do that, make sure to hit the like button for the sake of your favorite pizza. While pizza might seem like very Gen Z or a millennial food, do you know that its origins can be traced all the way back to ancient civilizations? In fact, the ancient Egyptians and Greeks were known to have eaten flatbreads with herbs, oils, and other ingredients. We all have our opinions when it comes to pizza. While for some, pineapple on pizza is valid, for others, any fruit on a pizza is blasphemy. However, the most important question is, what do the Italians think? Do you think they would approve of our current-day fancy pizzas? But before we reveal the answers, let's see what the majority of you think. Comment your answers below, and let's see how many of you actually are true pizza lovers. Pizza first started to take off in the 1880s, and all thanks to the Queen. You might be wondering why I haven't disclosed the name of the Queen yet, but trust the process. So the Queen got bored of having luxurious food day in and day out during her journey. So she turned to the staple food of the immigrants. Yes, you heard it right. The Queen ate the low-maintenance food famous among the immigrants in Naples. In 1889, pizza maker Raffaele Esposito created a pizza for the Italian king and queen, using the colors of the Italian flag: red tomato sauce, white mozzarella cheese, and green basil. She loved it so much that the pizza was named after Queen Margarita. Yes, you heard it right, the all-time favorite Margarita Pizza is actually named after a queen. We have discussed a whole lot of things about pizza till now, but do you know who coined the term pizza? The city which birthed our beloved food. Some say it was coined near Rome, while some choose to believe that it was coined near Naples, the city which birthed our beloved food. I personally believe that Naples coined the term pizza, but don't let me sway your opinion and share your thoughts in the comments section. Are you Team Naples or Team Rome? Also, there's more to pizzas than just toppings. Let's not forget the crusts. Everyone has their favorite, right? Don't we all get disappointed when we go to a cafe but it does not have any pizza with our favorite crust? I don't know about you, but to me, crusts are just as important as toppings. And let me tell you, there's nothing like a crispy, thin-crust pizza from Italy. In fact, the true test of a good pizza is whether or not it can be folded in half and eaten on the go. And trust me, Italian pizza passes this test with flying colors. Yeah, you heard it right. In moments like these, I am glad that I don't live in Italy, because imagine not being able to order cheese crust pizza. That would be a shame. I have never seen anyone as dedicated to something as Neapolitans to pizza. The Neapolitans literally created a true Neapolitan Pizza Association in 1984 to uphold the standards of true Neapolitan pizza. That's another level of dedication. I doubt any other place cares about their inventions as much as Neapolitans. Did you know that there are only 2 authentic pizzas according to the Neapolitans? Sorry to burst your bubble, but the Italians disagree. For them, only the Margarita and Marinara are regarded as authentic Italian pizzas. However, it does not stop here. They have further specifications for what it should be made of and etc. But I think this is enough information on a pizza for a day. After this, I am sure no doubt remains regarding why pizza is from Italy, as it is not everyone's cup of tea to be as dedicated to it as the Italians. There you go, that is the history of pizza, so the next time you enjoy a slice of pizza, take a moment to appreciate its rich and storied history and the country that gave it life. Buon appetito! Also, don't be selfish and share this video with your friends so that you know which pizza to order next time when you go out.